मेरे घर आई, मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी, एक नन्ही परी, चांदनी के हसीन रथ पे सवार। मेरे घर आई, हो मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी, एक नन्ही परी। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा।
जिंदगी गुलजार है, ये इश्क का दरबार है, किसी के गम को बांटना ही प्यार है, हाँ ये प्यार है। जिंदगी गुलजार है, ये इश्क का दरबार है।
Hey Pooji, a very happy birthday to you, darling. Stay blessed, stay happy as always, and may you have all your wonderful wishes come true. Loads of love and happiness and blessing from your second mommy. I hope others will understand. And what else I can say? Let's meet together. It's been a long time now. So let's meet and have our favorite thing, tea and coffee together. And let's chat till we drop. Have a great day. Bye.
Happy birthday, Pooji. Hope we meet soon and celebrate all our missed birthdays together really, really soon. It's been so long. And from the day on the very first day of our college, when I said hi to you, till now, it's been 15 years, but doesn't feel like, you know why? Because you're not aging. I hate to admit, but you are not aging and I'm jealous of it. Seriously. I just wish that you keep being this age-defying beauty with brains, and hope to meet you soon and have fun super soon. Super duper soon.
Hey Pooji Paji, wish you a very happy birthday. Thank you for being my friend, and I just wanted to say that you are super creative, amazing, loving, caring, and you always inspire me to do the very best. So once again, happy birthday. Bye.
Here is wishing our very own Bong Beauty a very, very, very happy birthday. Pooji, I wish you abundant happiness, love, and may you be gifted with life's biggest joys and never-ending bliss. May your life pick up speed and blast off through the stratosphere. Wear a seatbelt and have a blast. Very happy birthday.
Hi Pooja, many happy turns of the day. Please enjoy your day today and please make this day as special as you are. Happy birthday.
Pooja, wishing you a very happy birthday. May you achieve the stars of the sky. May you have a very successful life and career ahead. I love you more than like my own sister. it's it's been 23-24 years. It's been a fantastic brother-sister relationship. I'm hoping to meet you very soon. It's been some years that I have not seen you face to face. So wish you have a good life ahead. Bhalo thak.
বাবা পিসিকে বলো হ্যাপি বার্থডে পিসি লাইটটা দিয়ে দাও পিসিকে না
পূজা উইশ ইউ ভেরি ভেরি হ্যাপি বার্থডে। আনন্দে থাকো, খুশি থাকো, ভালো থাকো। সবসময় তোমার কথা আমাদের মধ্যে হয়ে থাকে। আশা করছি এই প্যান্ডামিকটা শেষ হলে আবার আমাদের মধ্যে দেখা হবে, আনন্দ করবো। এনজয়। টাটা।
Hey Pooh, it's your birthday. So happy wala birthday will be itna bada wala hug and lots of kisses के साथ। मुझे ज़्यादा मिस मत करना क्योंकि मैं बहुत ही जल्द आने वाली हूँ तुमसे मिलने के लिए, और तुम्हारे जो इतने सारे बर्थडे मिस हुए हैं उन सब का पार्टी जो ड्यू है वो सब एक साथ में लूँगी मैं। तब तक के लिए खुश रहो, मज़े करो, मस्ती करो, बिंदास रहो। लव यू बेब्स।
A very happy birthday, Pooja. Loads of love and best wishes. Khub bhalo thak. Bye.
Hi Pooja, wishing you a very happy birthday, darling. Yeah, it's been ages that we have met each other. I mean, not only you, Naz and I think हम तीनों को मिले हुए काफ़ी ज़माना हो गया, साल ages हो गया। I really wish कि once हम तीनों मिले और we shall have the same fun and school की सारी मस्ती recreate करें वापस से, right? I really wish this could happen once. Anyways, I must say that you've been a passionate girl in our team, in our group, and तुझे वो सारी चीज़ें achieve करनी थी, and I really hope and believe that you have done and achieved all your dreams, whatever you wanted to. And ऐसे ही रहना और कभी कभी याद भी कर लिया करना हमें right? और and yeah, that's all. May you have a wonderful birthday ahead and with a lot of surprises. Love you. Happy birthday.
Hi Pooji, a very happy, healthy, exceptionally rocking birthday to you. Wish you love, hope and everlasting joy and happiness in every step of your life. Thank you for being my friend. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday again.
Hi Pooja Didi, happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. জলদি একবার শিলচর এসে আমরা পিকনিক প্ল্যান করব, আমাদের আগের পিকনিকের মতো আবার একটা পিকনিক করব নাগনাহালেনে, জবরদস্ত মস্তি করব। বাই বাই, টেক কেয়ার, হ্যাপি বার্থডে ওয়ান্স अगेन।
सुबह की धूप पे इसी की दस्तखत है, इसी की रोशनी उड़ी जो हर तरफ है, ये लम्हों के कुएं में रोज झांकती है, ये जाके वक्त से हिसाब मांगती है। ये पानी है, ये आग है, ये खुद लिखी किताब है, प्यार की खुराक सी है पिको। सुबह की धूप पे इसी की दस्तखत है। मैं तो बादलों से दूर जाऊंगी, मैं तो अपना ही सुर पाऊंगी। है जो क्रेजी क्रेजी सपने मेरे, सारे चुन के मैं भूल आऊंगी। हमारा इस दुनिया की हुई नहीं, मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बनाऊंगी। कि जिंदगी मैं तो बादलों से दूर जाऊंगी, मैं तो।
Hi Pooja Didi, happy birthday. We all have so many memories of growing up together. আমাদের শিলচর নাগদাহলেন পাড়ায় আমি, তুমি, স্নেহা, মিঠু দাদা, Rohan, we all grew up together and we were I didn't realize that we were making so many memories, and now all we could do is like sit and cherish them. But that's how life is, and I really hope to see you all real soon. Till then, do take care of yourself, do take care of auntie, and like so much love for Asta Bhabi. I didn't meet her, but then I really liked the way she approached me, and she asked me to be a part of this birthday celebration. So thank you so much, Asta Bhabi. Hi to Mithu Dada, and again I wish you a very happy birthday, and a amazing, awesome, joyful year ahead. Hope to see you all real soon. Bye bye.
Happy birthday, Pooja Di, the artist of our family. You are very creative, and I always admire your art. And you are very humble and sweet to all. You are very lovely and simple, and you are like my elder sister. And you are very caring for me, and I always love you. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pudi. It's your birthday and we are gonna have a blast. And there's a surprise for you. Just wait till you see it. It's just a little surprise, but I'm sure you're gonna like it. So see you on your birthday and we're gonna enjoy. We're gonna rock. Yo! See ya! Happy birthday once again.
হ্যাপি বার্থডে টু ইউ, ভালো থেকো, সুন্দর করে থেকো, সবসময় বৌদি বা দাদা সবার সাথে মিলে থেকো। তুমি ছোটোবেলায় দুষ্টামি করতে, রাগ করতে, ওগুলো এখন মনে পড়ে আমার, খুব মনে পড়ে। বোদাদর বোদাদর বোদাদর, হ্যাপি বার্থডে টু ইউ।
Hello, bhai. It's your birthday today, and I'd like to tell you that you are the most ambitious girl that I have ever seen in my life. And the best part is you knew what to do from a very little age. Like at that age when I used to be roaming around with friends and doing fun and doing all these things, buzzing around, you were focused about what you need to do. You knew that what you are going to pursue. So this is really commending that at that age, and we come from a very small city. So from that in that small city, when there are very less guidance, you are very focused what you are doing about your career. So that I have always cherished about you, that you have been much more mature to me before me. Yeah, much mature. And going forward, I would like to wish you that you do very good with your career and go with the amount of skills that you have in the creativity and the fine arts. I want you to rise high and do very good. And on this day I would like to share one thing that I tell most of my friends, that there was an instance when Papa used to take us to teach us swimming in the pond, and every time you take a dip and the water comes into your nose, so you used to cling on me rather than Papa. So that's the bond that we share. Every time you take a dip and all the water used to be into your nose and mouth, you used to be scared. You used to be clinging to me rather than Papa. So that was the bond that we have shared, and that is the trust that we have on each other. And I'm very lucky that I have you in my life. You are one of the best thing that I have in my life. And on your birthday, I'd like to wish you all the best things in my life, in your life, and all the best of everything. And may you prosper and have a great health in this coming year and always. And from here, I would like to wish you a very, very happy birthday, my Pokemon, from your Monuman.
Hey Pooh, wish you a very happy birthday. This is the same place we just celebrated your birthday, and this is a surprise that we've been planning for the past 15-20 days with your friends. Hope you like it. You are just like my younger sister. Love you so much. Happy birthday. खूब खुश रहो, नाक में दम करो, चलती कूदती रहो. Bye. Love you.